how to set who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. So if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this. And now here you can see the who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address. So if someone has your phone number or email address, you can choose if you want to be suggested to them based on that information. So okay guys, in this tutorial, so I set the people with your phone number. And the people with your phone number is set into no one. Okay, you can tap this to change or set. And you can see the option. So you can set the people with your phone number into possible connection, friend of friends, friend, or no one. And I decide to set into friend. And after you set, tap the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.